I've been using the new Summer Fridays cleanser and I think I like it. I don't know. All right. Clean teeth, clean skin. My room is really coming along and I'm so happy with how it's looking. Main pieces, my bed is from CB2. All my bedding is from Parachute. My side tables, as you saw, just arrived. They're from Urban Outfitters Home and I love them. It was watering day for some of my babies. We have a dining table, folks. These are our 2 temporary chairs. Our actual chairs are coming in the mail, but for the meantime, we need somewhere to sit. So I really don't want to work out, but I know that I need to move.
I can't see where I'm supposed to go. There's no time for me to be on my own. And something's lost my mind from letting go. And something blocks my mind from all I know. I wait.
Everybody asking where these earrings are from. I will put a link down below. All right, actually before I go, I need to make a list. All right, are you ready for this grocery haul? First things first, I got 1 heirloom tomato, a dozen eggs. These are organic pasture-raised Vital Farms eggs. I got some lavender, that is for a recipe. I got some jumbo shells, these are also for a recipe. Bay leaf, sage, those are also for recipes. I got some turkey, that's for me. I got some Olipop, strawberry vanilla. I got 1 whole chicken. Hint, hint, at a video coming soon. Oat milk. I got some salmon. I got some Mary's crackers. I got 1 bottle of red wine. I'm not even sure what this is because it's all in Italian, but the label looks pretty and that is why I purchased it. Let me know if you've had this before. I got 2 Forager cashew milk blueberry yogurts. I got some broccoli. I got 3 Japanese sweet potatoes. These are my favorite and they're in season right now, so. Baby spinach for smoothies. I got some of this Lesser Evil Himalayan sweetness, sweet and salty popcorn. I got some Unreal dark chocolate peanut butter cups and they have like crispy quinoa on the inside. They're so delicious. I got some pita. I don't normally buy this, but since I'm roasting a chicken this week, I know I'm gonna have a ton of leftovers and I figured I could make a little like pita situation. 2 blood oranges. I got some Tartine Bread. This is their country loaf. I picked up some brown sugar. I realized the other day when I was baking that I didn't have any, so definitely needed to pick that up. Fresh Italian flat leaf parsley, sweet mini peppers. Got some mini chocolate chips, semi-sweet. Tomato paste, I always buy the tube. I don't know if I'm even gonna use this week, but I always like to have a tube on hand because you never know when you're gonna need tomato paste. 2 Siete taco seasonings. I don't think I'm gonna make tacos this week either, but every time I go to the store and want to try their taco seasoning, it's sold out, and I saw it today and I was like, I'm just gonna pick it up. I'll put it in the pantry. I'll use it when I use it. Some baby arugula, some thyme, that's for a recipe. Bananas are for my regular life. I got some spicy Italian sausage, 1 red onion, 4 avocados, 2 large heads of garlic. The last thing that I got is 2 Granny Smith apples. That was my grocery haul. There it is in all of its glory. Before I end this video, I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys, see how you're doing, and also discuss some things. So, I've always been nervous to talk about certain things on the internet because I'm scared I'm gonna say the wrong thing. But I realized that I would rather say the wrong thing and have someone correct me than say nothing at all. Not only as a white woman, but also as a creator and somebody that has a platform, it is my responsibility to talk about these things, and it is a privilege to be able to speak about it and educate myself about it rather than have to experience racial injustice every day. I'm continuing to learn every day how to be anti-racist, learning about the systematic and systemic racism that has been going on in this country for hundreds and hundreds of years and is still very much alive. I hope you all have taken this time to read and to donate and to sign petitions. If you don't have money to donate, I'm also going to leave some links down below to some videos where all of the earnings are being donated. So that's a very easy way for you to contribute without having to take money out of your own pockets. I'm about to start this book, so you want to talk about race. I will also leave a list of other books that you can read to help educate yourself. I definitely recommend picking up a book. I know social media can be quite daunting at times. I also want to encourage you guys to have conversations with your friends, with your family, no matter how uncomfortable or upsetting they may be. Maybe you will lose friends in the process, but these are conversations that need to be had. Please, please, please register to vote and go out and vote in November. It is so important. All of our lives depend on it. Black lives depend on it. Immigrants depend on it. I cannot stress to you how important it is for you to use your voice and go and vote. Elections are in November and you have plenty of time to educate yourself. I'm going to leave links down below where you can register to vote, also to check your registration status and make sure that all your information is correct. Become familiar with where your polling places will be, make a plan, figure out if you have work or if you have school or what you're going to be doing on election day and how you're going to fit voting into that. As a white person, it is my responsibility to dismantle racism, for me to use my platform to raise awareness and to help and educate people, my audience. Like I said, I'm gonna leave lots of resources down below. Don't think that this will be the first and last time that I'm going to mention this. Black Lives Matter, please vote. I'm gonna remind you probably in every video that I make. I think I'll probably put a permanent link down below to register to vote. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for next week's video, which will be an actual cooking video. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I'll see you then.